So my friend just left. I look crazy in the eyes department. So I need to take off my makeup. We were frying donuts and I don't know, something about like the oil like made both of our eyes like hurt. It's really weird. But I don't have any makeup remover. No makeup remover. Oops. I think I have one face wipe left. Or I already threw it out. I just look too greasy.
We don't? I'm guessing they don't. Hi. Thank you. Okay.
Cream to Splenda.
Great.
Medium iced coffee and sugar free.
Awesome. Thank you for your help.
Thanks. Okay, let's just put, okay, I'll hold that. And you can, wait, what about, are we missing something?
I think you have everything. And take a look.
Yeah, that's it.
I have to create this.
Woo!
Yum, yum, yum. Coffee. This is an amazing meal.
Why are you so entertaining?
Entertaining.
It's nothing has to happen. But
Okay.
no, you can make jokes. Go
That's
ahead.
the closest I'm ever going to get to entertainment, is to be on a vlog.
Well, you know you have jokes, so time to whip them out.
Oops. You just hear me growl as I go through all the traffic. Careful, doesn't fall off. Okay, on part 2 of the adventure. It's called, yeah, Ferris Bueller's Big Day. You got Big Day.
Oops. Okay, dude, that's okay. That's okay. They make them sturdy these days.
Okay. Did you get a picture of Greer? Greer?
No, this is a video, not a picture, so.
Oh, I mean a video anyways.
Wow. This McDonald's is so good.
I know. You're going to be the world's skinniest girl who enjoys McDonald's. You should bless your parents for having amazing genetics.
Actually, I noticed all the stuff that people tell you about what makes you fat and what doesn't is a lie.
I know.
Just like everything else. So I noticed in my life that people said one thing,
It was the other
but then
thing.
the skinniest girls I met were
Right.
always just like, they did not think about what they ate. They would just like eat McDonald's. They just like were not eating healthy. Huh. I think they just don't think about it.
I think you're right.
It's just like in its correct place.
Yes, you're hungry, you eat. It's when people actually start to use food as a way to live that becomes the problem.
Yeah, or when you start restricting, then you like crave the other thing
That's
more.
very, very true.
And then apparently that's what causes, diets like that. I'm restricting causes like weight gain and
Well, yeah, because you restrict, you binge. You restrict, you binge.
yeah.
It makes total sense.
When I had an eating disorder as a teen,
Right.
I would try to do that, but not eating just made me want to eat.
Yeah. Oh, you have the right thing. You eat now when you're hungry. I think that's a sugar daddy piggy.
Oh, what? That's my sugar daddy? Put it on speaker because you're driving.
No, I don't know what it is. It's a credit. Hello?
Don't while driving, John. John, not while
You are.
driving.
Good. How come you're calling me? No, but thank you very much for calling. Okay, you're welcome. They're loan consolidation people. They call up
Why?
people. Okay.
It's probably confused.
No.
Hi.
They're like credit card companies that increase your. Remember you saying the other day? They said you can now have 10,000 instead of 5,000. I don't need.
Oh, sweetie, don't do that to me. That's
Yeah.
what I tell them.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like I need that. No. Like, whenever they ask me that on the phone or in person, I'm like, have you just seen, like, already the state of my credit card history?
Well, if they look at your credit card history, they probably just see everything's fine. You're paying it off so much per month. You're not maxed out. So from their perspective, it looks okay.
Oh. I don't know. Apparently the whole, like, economic system is, like, gonna collapse. Like, the Illuminati obviously already planned it a long time ago, but apparently it's
Oh my
like
God,
a
yeah. If everybody
unsustainable, like, debt-based system.
called in their debts, the world would totally collapse
What do you mean?
financially.
What's called in mean?
It says everybody basically says, okay, you know the money you owe us? We don't want your partial payment. We want it all right now.
Or else what?
No, they can call it in anytime they want to. But if they can do it, most people don't have the funds. So there would be bankruptcies, stock market would crash, currency would crash, people would be out on the streets.
So it's apparently built to fail. I'm gonna do more research. So I
You
was
should,
like,
because it's scary. It's really scary.
okay, I'm gonna look into that.
And saying that, that's all the more reason I gotta get the hell out of my apartment. What a waste of money. Because you know what, Laurel, I'm thinking too? You know, I always talk as I learn more about false pride.
Mm-hmm.
I think the reason I don't want to move out is going, I don't want to have to move into a smaller place. And I'm going, why? No one cares, and you're wasting money.
I already know that you're King Daddykins, like, the
Yeah.
third. Well,
Yeah.
the first, of course, but you know what I mean.
And it's easy to move out. I can, as I said, even if I can't sell everything, I can just store stuff. So it's not like going, oh, I got to sell everything before I go. As I said before.
Are you gonna miss it? Are you scared to move on? Like, what is it? Go deep.
Go deep?
Go deep.
I think I guess it's because I went from house to house to house to big apartment to smaller apartment. But the reality is that just makes more sense financially. So, do you want to have pride and wind up owing a shitload of money you don't need to owe?
But, like, who is it that you would think, like, it's embarrassing to steam that way, too?
Probably just myself, honestly, because who's ever going to see my apartment? Probably it'll be just you, my kids. That's it. I don't entertain.
Oh, yeah, and no one cares.
Yeah, so
You know?
I'll set it up. I should probably actually move out. Yeah, I think I said to you end of December. Yeah, that makes sense. get an apartment for under 2,500, which I can do easily, even in the area we like.
I can help you find one if you want.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
I found mine, so I'm kind of good
Okay.
at real estate. Just kidding.
Well, you found a great place.
I'm good at like hunting and sifting and hacking, like those three things, you know.
You
Like
got
a burrowing animal.
How do you hack?
I can't explain to you. It's just when you grow up with the internet, it becomes like another like an extension of you.
So you could find stuff other people can't find. Because I've tried hacking myself and I can't find anything. I put my name in for the... I just don't find anything. It's just basically the stuff on the Rate MD. I worked at the East General and the Toronto Grace. Okay, you can't let your secrets go, I understand.
What?
No, I understand
no.
you have your secret. That's fine. No worries. I'm not doing anything weird.
Oh no. It's good.
Are you having your chicken?
Oh no, soon.
Yes, you will.
Yep, chicken. So, junior chickens, hot tip, are like 10 times better than McChickens. But you'd think that a junior chicken is just a small McChicken. But it's a small McChicken that's also 10 times better.
Why is it that way? Because it's less
just got,
bread?
like, delightful spices.
Oh.
Chicken is just like a chicken.
Okay. Well, you go to McDonald's and order off the secret menu. That's funny. A lot of these places have their secret menu. You can order it, but it's not there.
This isn't a secret.
No, I know. But what is McDonald's? They have some of them. They're not really that secret. It's just a matter of you ask for it and
Like
you don't
what?
make it. At Wendy's, you can have the cube sandwich.
What's that?
That's four burgers. And so you know the Wendy's burger is a square. So when you stack 4 burgers.
Hi, Pickles. Hi. So, good morning, y'all. It is 12 p.m. I just woke up. I look insane. Yeah. So, lots to do today. Chores and errands. And right now, Greer is just enjoying some time on the carpet. What are you biting? So, I was gonna do an Aritzia haul yesterday, but I went to Shoppers to pick up my products, and they said I needed... What are you eating? Don't eat that. Oh. They said I needed a physical piece of ID, and I only had like a picture of my passport and a picture of my passport. Yeah. So, gonna try to find my passport. Oh, my health card, and just find some ID. Did a lot of online shopping lately. Greer. Greer. We're going outside, Smokey, sweetie. I know I should be taking Greer on a walk first thing, I think, but I need my coffee first, or like I cannot. So we just hang out for a bit first while I have coffee. Oh my gosh, she's the sweetest little button. Look at this little Greer. Oh, we absolutely love Greer. She is a special doggy. So, yeah, today I gotta go pick up packages. And there's always just a to-do list, like talk to my friends and family. I usually will see like a friend or a family member in the day, and then just this everlasting list of to-dos. So I'm gonna vlog just a cute little day in my life today, and we'll see how it goes. No, that's what Trisha Page says. I'm not gonna say. We'll see what happens.